Normally, when I'm out taking nature photos, I am all by myself. I explore the land with the camera in hand, always on the lookout for the perfect photo, the perfect composition, color, and light. Sometimes though, when I'm out on a photo shoot, someone will come with me. When they join me, I just naturally include them in my photos. Just as nature is photogenic, so too are people. Combining the two makes for some great artistic photos. On every trip, there will always be one person who wears a very colorful piece of clothing. One piece that continually catches your eye. A piece of color that stands in sharp contrast with the surroundings. It could be a hat, a jacket, or even a colorful object like a little yellow backpack. When that happens, I instantly pick up on it and start to use that object as the focal point of my photos. One summer, my son got a job in Banff. Of course, I had to go out and visit him with my camera. It was an opportunity that I did not want to miss. During the week I was out there, we had a few days off. We used that time to go hiking in the mountains. He had a new bright yellow North Face backpack. It would catch your eye every time you saw it. Instantly, I picked up on it and started to use it as the focal point of my photos. If you look at all the photos in the videos that I'm showing you, you will notice that your eye is naturally drawn to it. You can't help yourself from doing it. Of course, you will still take your nature photos with no people in them. That's what nature photographers do. But if you're with people and you include them in your photos, use the colorful focal point to your advantage. It's a little trick that you want to pick up on and use to your advantage.